What if the 7 days of the week were guarded by 7 celestial sisters? In Thai Songkran tradition, their father is Kapila Brahma, also called Kapila Brahma. He is a powerful celestial being, connected with wisdom, cosmic knowledge, and universal balance. His greatest gift is wisdom, the ability to recognize truth, respect nature, honor elders, and use power responsively. According to legend, Kapila Brahma challenged the brilliant Thammabal Kumara with difficult riddles. Thammabal answered correctly, so Kapila Brahma accepted defeat. But his sacred head was too powerful to touch the earth, sky, or water. If it did, chaos and destruction would spread across the world. His 7 daughters carried his head on a golden tray and brought it to safety. Each year, one daughter leads the celestial procession. Together, they protected the world through duty, wisdom, and balance. Sabaidee, the Sunday goddess, represents leadership, courage, and new beginnings. Riding the Garuda with a discus and a conch, she brings strength and protection. Devi, the Monday goddess, represents patience, reflection, and emotional wisdom. Riding a tiger, she teaches calm and discipline, strength. Devi, the Tuesday goddess, represents courage and action. Riding a boar with a trident and bow, she confronts danger and protects the world. Devi, the Wednesday goddess, represents learning, communication, and practical knowledge. Riding a donkey, she reminds us that wisdom must help people through daily struggles. Devi, the Thursday goddess, represents teaching, generosity, and spiritual understanding. Riding an elephant, she carries the patience and wisdom of elders. Devi, the Friday goddess, represents harmony, beauty, music, and compassion. Riding a buffalo with a sword and harp, she shows that gentleness and strength can exist together. Devi, the Saturday goddess, represents endurance, transformation, and wisdom gained through hardship. Riding a peacock with a discus and trident, she reminds us that darkness can lead to renewal. The 7 daughters are connected to the 7-day calendar. Each day carries its own energy, color, planet, and qualities. But only one goddess becomes the Nang Songkran of each new year. She is chosen by the weekday on which Maha Songkran falls. If the new year begins on Sunday, Devi leads the procession. If it begins on Monday, Devi takes her turn. The pattern continues through Saturday. Songkran is more than water and celebration. It is a reminder that wisdom must guide power, duty must protect life, and every new beginning requires balance. I'm V, and this is Sabaidee Life, where every story begins with curiosity. Until next time, let's learn together. Bye!